Making my bread.
Mixing different materials together can make them stronger, softer, or squishier. For making buildings, we need strong materials, such as bricks. They start off as soft materials but end up solid, strong, and hard. Pour the dirt into your mixing bowl and add half a cup of water. Cut the grass into small pieces and add it in. Mix everything together until it looks and feels like soft clay. Line the ice cube tray with plastic wrap. Spoon your mixture into each hole and press it down into the holes. The plastic wrap will let the bricks slip out easily when they're dry. Make sure your mixture is packed tightly into the tray. But we ended up not using the plastic wrap because it didn't work too well for us. Leave the bricks to dry overnight. This process is called curing. It lets all the materials join together. Then remove the bricks from the tray by pulling up the plastic wrap.